everybody. This is your agenda video for day 2, April 1st. So I'm going to go through exactly what you need to do today in order to get your credit for the classwork assignments. Okay, so starting off on our stream screen, we're going to go to classwork. Remember the day 1 through 10, so March 17th through the 30th, all that work is does need to be handed in. So you can either mail it to the school, you can shoot me all the pictures of all the work that you did in that packet, but you do need to hand that in for the 3rd marking period. Okay, just to remind you for that. Extended schedule, closure schedule for the 31st through the 9th. All of the work that you're doing right now is open until the 19th, but you need to hand it in. So please make sure you are doing that every day, handing in your assignments. Okay. So number 2, we're going to do journal number 2 today. You're going to complete a writing lesson. So it's a pretty simple day today. So we're going to go back and I'm going to show you the journal that you're going to do. So remember, journals are already all the way down at the bottom. I'm going to go to journal number 2. Okay. So today is April Fool's Day. Write about the best April Fool's joke that you have played, or write about a joke that you would like to play on somebody. Remember, you need to be safe. All right. April Fool's Day is always a fun day, but don't take it too far. Okay. So you're going to write your journal. Make sure you submit that journal to me. All right. So that is your journal for today. I will be going through and explaining your writing lesson for today. Your writing lesson is going to be here. You have the 2 pictures that I'm going to go through in the next video. Make sure you watch that video there. And then your Google Doc is going to be right underneath of that. That is what you're going to need to fill out and send to me to get the credit for that. Okay. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always email me. I did add a comment here yesterday. So that way, if you have any questions, you can always comment on that there. Hopefully these videos are helping you kind of guide yourselves through Google Classroom. I know it's something new for a lot of us. And as long as we work together to get this done, we'll get it done. All right. So I will see you tomorrow for your agenda video for tomorrow. And that's it. All right. See you later.